Yes, now you are able to hear me, everybody? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. There was some networking issue, that's why. Okay. Now we are coming to the next question. Okay. So all of us can start our video also. Can all of you start your video also? Is it possible? Because sometimes what happens, students go somewhere. Okay. So we are coming to the question like you have to find the remainder when 300 times is divided by 999. See, to make the sum easier, we are going to make pairs taking 3 at a time. So if I write 2 taking 3 at a time, so there would be 100 pairs, 100 such 2 number. So 222 plus 222 plus 222 100 times, that would become 222 So now you can divide by 999 and you can find the answer. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are moving on to next question. See, the first question is what is the remainder when 16 raised to the power 27 plus 37 is divided by 17? See, the method is quite simple. First of all, we are writing it separately. Remainder 16 raised to the power 27 divided by 17 plus remainder 37 divided by 17. See, 37 divided by 17, 17 twos are 34, remainder is 3. This is okay. And if we talk about this 16, 16 is just one short of 17. So I've written minus 1. So what is minus 1 raised to power 27? Minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3, remainder would be 2. How many of you are able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes,
You are able to
sir.
understand this. Okay, one. Let's move on to second question. What is the remainder when 17 raised to power 200 is divided by 18? See here again 17 is just one short of 18. So I can write minus 1. What is minus 1 raised to power 200? 1. Here, because minus 1 raised to power even number would be positive. So remainder is 1. Okay. Let's move on to next question. What is the remainder when 71 raised to power 71 plus 71 is divided by 72? So again, I am writing first separately. This one is okay. 71 divided by 72, remainder would be minus 1. Now here 71 divided by 72, this is just one short. I can write minus 1 raised to power. See, this should be 71, not 72. This is printed by mistake. Because here we are having 71, na? So minus 1 raised to power 71 would be minus 1. So minus 1 is minus 2. But remainder is never negative. So what if we are getting remainder negative? If we are getting remainder negative, we will simply add the number by which we are dividing. So we are dividing by 72. So minus 2 plus 72, that would make 70. Okay, are you people able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Let's move on to question number 4. So what is the remainder when 7 raised to power 2015 is divided by 9? See, to make you understand this, see, okay, first step is clear. 7 divided by 9. This is just 2 short of 7. So I can write minus 2 raised to power 2015. This step, second step is clear to all of you, minus 2.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm sharing one more file. Just give me 1 minute where I will let you know how we can so proceed to the next. Just 1 minute. Minus 2 raised to power 2015. We were here. You are able to see the screen now. Okay. See, now I am dividing by 9. So I have to make this number as 8 or 10. So in every question, by whatever number you are dividing, either try to make this one number lesser than or one number more than. So less than 1 is 8. So I can make it 8 here. If I write minus 2 raised to power 3, it would become 8, na? So I'm writing minus 2 raised to power 3 and I'm dividing 2015 by 3. 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21 and 3 1 is 3 and I'm still left with remainder 2. So I can write here minus 2 raised to power 2. Is this step clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So minus 2 raised to power 3 is minus 8. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I can write minus 4 outside like this. 8 raised to power 671 like this. Now 8 is 1 short of 9. So that would be minus 1. So what is minus 4 into minus 1? 4. So our answer would be 4. Okay. See, if you're not able to understand any step, you let me know. I will explain again.
Clear, sir.
Clear. Wonderful. So we are moving on to next question. 2 raised to power 2003 divided by 17. See, we are dividing by 17 now. I will try to make it 16. So I can write 2 raised to power 4. It will become 16, I know. So 2003 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20, 0, 0, and 3 is left. So I can write it separately. 2 raised to power 4 again is 16. 16 raised to power 500 into 8. Now 16 is just 1 short of 17. Minus 1 raised to power 500 is 1. So 1 multiply 8 is 8. So our answer would be 8. Okay. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So we were on this question. So what is the remainder when we are done with this question? We are now coming to question number 5. What is the remainder when 2014 raised to power 2015 is divided by 9? So first step, divide 2014 by 9. See, if you're getting the remainder as minus 2. This is the same question which I have discussed just now. Okay. So let's move on to question number 6. What is the remainder when 19 raised to power 98 is divided by 7? See, now we are dividing by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So we are just 2 short of this number getting exactly divisible by 21, so by 7. So I can write here minus 2. I can write minus 2 here, no? So
Yes, sir.
Yes.
since this is even number, so minus sign get removed. So 2 raised to power 98 divided by 7. Since 7 is coming, so one number more than 7 is 8. So I will make it 8 as I have done in the previous question. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. And 98 divided by 3, 3 3 is a 9, 3 2 is a 6. And 2 raised to power 2 is the left. So that I have written separately. Okay, so 8 divided by 7, remainder is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. So your remainder would be 4. How many of you are able to understand the last 2 steps? Just figure out if you are able to understand.
Understood, sir.
Okay,
Clear,
No,
sir.
sir.
very nice. Okay, how many present in your class today total?
45, sir.
So 45.
45. Okay, and how many students in your class? 60?
But actually, it's been divided in sections. So, sir, biotechnology has 50 and or some are of food technology also 10 students. So I think so 60 around.
Okay, okay, okay. So you are I think you share the list of those students who are absent, the CR of your class. Can you share this after it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, Lavanya, you will share. Your name is Lavanya.
Sir, it's Lavanya.
Lavanya. Sorry, Lavanya. Okay. So what's the meaning of Lavanya?
Sir, it's mean graceful, beautiful.
Okay. Okay, so we are moving on to next question. What is the remainder when 2 raised to power 33 is divided by 27? See, again, we are dividing by 27. First of all, we would try to make the number 2 more than 27. And since we are considering 2 raised to power 5 is 32. So I will write 2 raised to power 5 I have taken. And divide 33 by 5. 5 6 za. So I will be getting 32 raised to power 6 and 2 raised to power 3 is extra, 8 would come here. So now 32 divided by 27, that is 5 more than 27, 5 raised to power 6. Now again of 5, I am making 125. I'm writing 5 raised to power 3. So 2 would come here. So 125 divided by 27. 27 5s is 135. So this is just 10 short of 135. That's why I've written minus 10. So 10 is minus 10 raised to power 2 is 100. 100 into 8 is 800. 800 divided by 27 this. Actually in this question we have two steps. Like first we have reduced it to 32. 2 raised to power 5 and then again 5 raised to power 3 I have used it here. See if you people are able to understand how we have reached at this question.
Sir, please explain this again.
Okay, let's move to the first step. First is I have to make this number more than 27. So can I write 2 raised to power 5? Because 2 raised to power 5 would be 32. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I have taken 2 raised to power 5. So I am dividing 33 by 5. 5 6 are 30. So I am writing 32 raised to power 6. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then 3 is left. 2 raised to power 3. What is 2 raised to power 3? 8.
8.
So I'm here now. Now I'm dividing 27 by 32 by 27. 27 1 27. I'm left with 5. 5 raised to power 6 into 8. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I'm making it 5 raised to power 3 is 125. 5 raised to power 3. Because if I make 5 raised to power 2, 25, so that would be again too short. So I am making it 5 raised to power 3, 125. And divide 6 by 3, it would be 2 here. Now if you divide 125 by 27, this 27 5s is 135. So this is just 10 short of number so that it could be exactly divisible by 27. So it is minus 10 here. So minus 10 raised to power 2 is 100 into 8 is 800. See, this is not that like if I have solved it by 5 raised to power, you can try some other combination also. You can take some other number also. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
yeah. This is not that like if I am taking 2 raised to power 5, if you have something other in your mind, you can try some other numbers also. It's not that, okay. Now what is the remainder when 2 raised to power 3 is divided by 17? Now again I am having 17, so I would try to make this as 16 and 2 raised to power 4 is 16, 4. Divide 2003 by 4, 4 5s I'm getting 400 here and 2 raised to power 3 is extra. So 16 divided by 17, I'm getting minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 500 is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. So remainder would be 8. See, just go through it.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Okay, what is the remainder when 7 raised to power 121 is divided by 17? See, 7 raised to power 121 divided by 7. So if you remember the table of 7, 7 2s are 47 into 7 is 49. So I have tried to make it 7 square. So I am getting 7 square. So I'm dividing 121 by 2. 2 6 are 12, 0 and 7 is left outside. Now I'm dividing 49 by 17. 17 2s are 32, 17 3s are 51. Just 2 short of 51 minus 2. So since I'm again dividing by 17, so I'm trying to make it 4, 16. Again minus 2 raised to power 4. Divide this 60 by 4. It would be 15 into this. So 16 divided by 17, it would be minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 15 is minus 1. Minus 7, we are getting minus 7. But answer is never negative. So if we are getting the remainder negative, we will simply add the number by which we are dividing. So we are dividing by 17. So it would be minus 7 plus 17. See, minus 7 plus 17, that would be 10. Okay. I'm coming back to the
Yes, sir.
I hope you people are able to understand this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. How will you find the remainder when 15 raised to power 2010 plus 16 raised to power 2011 is divided by this. Okay, maybe after some time I will share one link where all my videos are uploaded. You can go there and you can see the various topics there. Okay, I will share that link in the group. How will you find the remainder when this 15 raised to power 2000? See, 7 twos are 14. I am getting remainder as 1. 1 raised to power 2010 is 1. This one is sorted out. Now let us consider this one. 16 raised to power 2011 divided by 17 divided by 7, sorry. So 7 twos are 14. This is 2 more than. So I will turn 2 raised to power 2011. Now again it is 2 here now. I'm dividing by 7. I will make it 8. 2 raised to power 3 will be 8. And 2011 divided by 3, 670. Okay. And 1, 2 would be outside. 2 raised to power 1. So dividing 8 by 7, remainder is 1. 1 raised to power 670 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So your remainder would be 2 plus 1, 3. Please check it if you people are able to understand this step.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move on to next question. 30 raised to power 40 divided by 7. See, please check out whether if you are able to understand how I have done question number 11th.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear? Very good. Now please try to solve the last question. I'm just sharing the question only. Just try to find answer. Let us see if you can solve it. Yeah, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just try to give me the answer to this question.
One.
Yes, you're right. Answer is 1. Yes, please you check it.
1, sir.
Yes, answer is 1. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 1.
Okay, good. Let's move on to next question. I will find the remainder when 54 raised to power 124 is divided by 17. Oh, 54 divided by 7. 17 3s are 51. So it would be 3 remainder. 3 raised to power 1 to 4. So they have made it 3 raised to power 4 is 81. Because 17 5s are 85, na? So we are just 4 short, minus 4. Again, we are having minus 4. So I will make it dividing by 17. So I will try to make it 16. Like minus 4 raised to power 2 is 16. 31 divided by 2 is 15. We are left with minus 4 raised to power 1. So 1 minus 1 raised to power this. Minus 1 into minus 4. Answer would be 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. How to find the remainder of 21 raised to power 875 divided by 17? See again, 17, 21 is just 4 more than that, na? 17. So it will be 4 raised to power 875 divided by 17. So I'm again making 4 as 16. 4 raised to power 2 is 16. And divide 875 by 2. 2 4s are 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, and I am left with just 1 4. 4 raised to power 1. So 16 divided by 17, it would be again minus 1. So 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. But remainder cannot be negative. So minus 4 plus 17, remainder would be 13. Because if we are getting remainder negative, we will simply divide, add the number by which we are dividing. So answer would be, okay,
13.
13. Yes. Okay. Okay. Just 1 minute.